Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. I have a beautiful plant video to share with you straight from my younger cousin's balcony. Now this is the first plant that I am showing you with pretty maroon leaves. I don't know the name of the plant. Now this is the tulsi, and yes, I love admiring the inflorescence of tulsi or the ossimum sanctum. Look at it, how marvelous it looks. That too in the morning sun. And look at the sky behind. Oh my god. Looks like puja is approaching very fast. This is it. Now this is the lemon pine. Now why is it called lemon pine? Because if you touch the leaves or if you break the leaf and if you smell it, it smells just like lemon. It's a beautiful plant, and yes, it has grown quite tall. Earlier I had seen it a bit shorter, and this time I see that it has grown quite big. A beautiful one, and the aroma is just mind-blowing. Beautiful. Now let's move on to our broken heart. This is the monstera, and this too is doing quite well. I don't remember whether I had given her this plant or she has bought it on her own. That I don't remember, but yes, it's beautiful. Now this is a beautiful fern, and this fern has a curly texture. The leaves are curled, and I always wanted to have this fern in my collection, but till date I don't have. Maybe I have to ask her for a small plant so that I can have my own. It's a beautiful one, and the color is just wonderful. I love greens. Now that's the Aglonema lipstick. Look at her, how gorgeous she looks. And in the morning sun, it looks just wonderful. And the best part is I can see quite a number of new baby shoots there. That means she's going to have more plants. And this particular plant I had gifted her some months back, yes. And yes, she has looked after it so well that the plant looks very happy. This is another Aglonema which too I had given her, most probably, if I'm not wrong. And this too is doing just wonderful. Look at the pink patches. The plant, the leaves itself says that it is very happy and healthy, and it's doing extremely well. Beautiful. Look at the leaves. Oh my god. I think it looks better than mine too. Beautiful one. Kept in a perfect position. Morning sun there. Now that's the rabbit foot fern. A beautiful one which she had brought this from Kersiong. Her brother had gifted her this particular plant. Look at the leaves. It's a fern. It's called the rabbit foot fern. Rabbit because the roots come out of the pots from where it gets its name. Look at the leaves. Actually, my younger cousin loves ferns. Now that's the euphorbia. That's the flower. And look at the deadly part. Look at the thorns. Oh my god. Can't imagine that such a thorny plant can have such beautiful flowers which are very soft to touch and delicate. Now let's move on. This is our regular fern, the Boston fern, which grows everywhere in the jungle or in shady, shallow places. But I love it. If you place it indoors, it just gives a different feeling, a different meaning to your room. Now there is the snake plant which is hiding there, And yes, it has given a small baby pup. Oh my god, that's so very nice. I feel very happy, when I see small baby shoots, baby pups peeping out from the soil. So that's it. Now this is the showstopper. Look at this fern. What a beauty. It has become a huge one, and this she had bought from the flower show. Along with me, she had gone and she had purchased this. This is called the Japanese fern, I guess, according to the seller. And this is how the fern looks. It's a very, very delicate one. I think delicate than the maidenhair fern as well. But yes, it is very, very beautiful. And this is the first time I am showing you this particular fern in the video. This is called the Japanese fern according to the seller. Look at it, how delicate the leaves are. See. Thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.